Umentri katana jengok kai perthai ba polling do uloang baga sorkar ka kwa ban pentik na ba inbo ia ka project ropeway ka ba paunam ha ka perthai ha ka ni ka jala meglaya. Ha ba kren bikila pathai khobor umentri uloang ba minta kidang dan ha ka benta ka ba khaddu ban penmi ia ka jing penbet thamai bat kumta lo kumnu ki khmi lenti ba anyo ban sedang no hadin ka ayom liur ka bala ban poi lo kumnu hau banai risau mentau snap.
See, we would like, I will only reply where the tourism department is concerned. We would like to ensure that we have a world-class ropeway project installed in Melia. So we are in the last leg of issuing fresh corrigendum, but as you are aware, the working season here begins after the monsoons. By early October, we should be able to see that the project actually takes off. The official inauguration has already been done by the President of India. Work on the ground should start by October.
Projects like e-buggies and electric buses, but
I'm not aware, those are within Transport Department.